Okay, good morning. So today we are moving on to 7.3. We talked about it a little bit yesterday before each of you left because we were kind of worried about like 2-hour delay or possible e-learning anyway today. So I'm going to review again with some more examples. So please make sure you're watching the video. So today we're talking about some special circumstances when you have these polynomials and you are multiplying. So remember, I talked to you about like if you had 2x to the power of 3, right? We talked about how you understand the main concept. It's taking this base multiplied by itself 3 times. So it's 2x times 2x times 2x. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And then we have x times x times x, which is x to the power of 3. And the reason it is because remember there's a power of 1 on each one of those x's and you add when you're multiplying the same base, right? So today what we're doing is we're now taking this base and we have an addition. So we have like x minus 2 and it's to the power of 2. So we're taking this base and we're multiplying itself twice, right? So I'm going to take x minus 2 times x minus 2. And now this is what we know when we're multiplying product and our polynomials. We're going to take our first term, multiply it by our second binomial, so x times x minus 2. We're going to take our second term, don't forget the negative, and then x minus 2. Then we're going to distribute, and remember distribute means to multiply. So x times x is x squared, because there's a little 1 exponent there. And then x times negative 2 is negative 2x. And then we're going to multiply negative 2 times x, so we get negative 2x again. And then negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. And now at this point, this is where we combine like terms, right? We're adding or subtracting. So we look and x squared is not lined up with anything. 2x and 2x, they're both negative, so it becomes negative 4x. And then we have our positive 4, and we end up with our trinomial. Okay, so let's look at some others. I'm just going to go a little bigger numbers and like more coefficients, which is perfectly fine. We're just going to do the same thing. I'm in your journals on page 217 if you have those. So if you want to write this down in your notes. So we're going to have negative 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. So remember, we're going to take this base and we're going to multiply it twice. So we have our two binomials. We're going to take negative 2x plus 1, negative 2x plus 1. Take our first term, multiply it by our second binomial. I'm going to take my second term and multiply it by my second binomial. So notice our second binomial is always here. And then this is our first binomial, okay? We're going to distribute. So we have negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, positive 4, x times x, which is x squared. Negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2. And then we just have the x. So we're going to put the x there. Then we have 1 times negative 2, so that becomes negative 2, and we only have 1x, so we'll put that x there. And then 1 times 1, which we get is positive 1. Now, again, remember, this is where we combine like terms. We can bring the 4x squared down. It doesn't match with anything. Our negative 2x and negative 2x combine. They're both negative, so it becomes negative 4x plus 1. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's say we have 3x minus 2 to the power of 2. So we're going to take this base, 3x minus 2, and we're going to take it twice. We're going to multiply it twice, okay? Take our first term, multiply it by our second term, or first term, sorry, and multiply it by our second binomial. And then our second term and our first binomial and multiply it by our second binomial. Again, notice this is our second binomial always. This is our first binomial in the front. We're going to multiply, so we have 3 times 3, which is 9, x squared, x times x, which is x squared, 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6, and then we're going to have just one x, because the 2 does not have an x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and then we have our x. Negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. Then remember, this is where we combine like terms. So our 9x squared comes down. Our negative 6 and negative 6 is negative 12x. plus 4. Remember, when you are combining like terms, you're not doing anything with your exponents. You're just matching up and adding or subtracting your coefficients. Okay, let's look at another one. What if they kind of changed it up and they said they did like -2 plus b squared? We're not going to do anything different. We're just going to take -2 plus b times -2 plus b, right? Because it's saying I'm multiplying that base twice. Take my first term, multiply it by my second binomial. Take my second term and multiply it by my second binomial. And then we're going to multiply. -2 times -2 is 4. -2 times b is -2b. b times -2 is still -2b. And b times b is b squared. There's two b's, b times b. All they did, and then remember we're going to combine like terms. All they did is they kind of flipped our variables. So they didn't keep it in standard form. So notice my standard form is also backwards, right? Because these did not start out as standard form. My answer does not end up in standard form. And that's okay for right now. We will have to always start putting things back in standard form when we start factoring. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at one where they give you more than one variable. So we have 2a minus 3b squared. So we're still going to take this binomial and multiply it twice. 3b, because of the power of 2. Take our first term, multiply it by our second binomial. The second term, oh, forgot the b. There we go, 2a minus 3b. And we're going to distribute. So 2 times 2 is 4. A times a is a squared. 2 times -3 is -6. A times b is just ab. We can't do anything with that, right? -3 times 2 is -6. A times b is ab. Keep it in alphabetical order. And then -3 times -3 is +9. B times b is b squared. And combine like terms at this point. So for a squared, -6 and -6 is -12ab plus 9b squared. And notice what it is it's in alphabetical order, A and then A from the highest to the lowest. Let me know if you have any questions.